Today I'm going to show you how to make a game where a cat chases a mouse. And if you want to know how I just got these sprites and the backdrop, then all you have to do is go to the link in the description and click on Remix. And after doing this, you can do the video with me. So to start, we will go to the mouse sprite and get one green flag clicked. We want the mouse to show and we want it to follow our mouse. So let's get one green flag clicked, go to mouse pointer. And this looks so ugly. So let's make it follow your mouse and not go to your mouse pointer. So that's very simple to do. You get a go to X, Y, and in the X you will add a X position plus, so you get a plus operator, plus, and then you in the second place you add a divided by 5, so you get a divide by 5, and then you get a mouse X minus X position, so you put that there, and then you get a mouse X minus X position, and just duplicate this and change to get this to a Y position, mouse Y and Y position. Now it will look sorry. Now this will look way better, but just that let's get a point towards mouse pointer to give it that cool feeling. Yeah, this is perfect. Now let's code the cat. Oh, let's just code the hitbox because it's quick. So let's go when if I clicked forever, get a go to mouse, and then point in direction, so change the right one, and then change this to direction of mouse, yeah, and don't hide it, show it, but there's one thing. Then or you could also just do a just for simplicity, okay, sorry, but just to make it more simple, just get this in here to make it more smooth. And yeah, now it's gonna move just where the mouse is. So now we will also now get a set ghost effect to 100, so it's shown but people cannot see it. Yeah, now you go to the cat and show it. Now we have to make the cat follow it. So let's get a forever when green flag clicked, switch costume to cat A, and then get the next costume, wait 0.5 seconds, and the next costume. Now let's make it to follow the mouse pointer. So let's get another one green flag clicked, get a forever again, and then you get a move 5 steps, and then we also get a point towards mouse, and then also just get a set rotation style left right. Now the cat is following the mouse. By the way, do you like my art? So I like it. So till now this can happen and this should not happen. That's why we have that game over. So no one will see that. So now we will go and make 3 new variables. Make one called speed. Time speed. And lastly, time. All for all sprites. So first get all set u, and then set time speed to 1. Time speed to 1. And then here we would get a move speed steps. Now you get 3 ifs. Now you get a if, and then you make one more variable, a variable I forgot. Name it mode. So get an if else. And then we'll, oh no, we don't need mode. No mode, so delete mode. So just, you have these 3 ifs, and then you get an if time, if distance to mouse. So if distance to mouse, not mouse pointer, mouse is greater than 200, then set speed to get a plus, and then you get set speed to sorry, remove the speed variable but not the set speed, and then change this to a 5. Duplicate this here, and this will be here a less than 100. Get a set speed to 2 plus time speed, and in the middle you duplicate both of these and get an and. And here, yeah. And this will be very simple. All you have to do is get a distance to mouse is here 201, but it's still less than 99. And oh, I almost forgot, we have to add a variable in there, and here we will just add 3. No, sorry, I did a mistake. We have to do greater than 99 and less than 201. Yeah, now this should work. Yeah, now it's working. Or maybe it's way too slow, so let's make this to a 6, 4, and 3. Now one more thing. Duplicate this. And now you remove all of this, and then you also remove this, and oh, you could actually just leave the weight, but I'll just add it back. So get every 7 seconds we will do a change time speed by 0.3, and then duplicate this, and then get a forever repeat until touching mouse, no, hitbox, not mouse, touching hitbox, change time by 0.01. Now this looks good, right? And so now when you get hit, nothing happens, but the time still stops because we coded out. But now let's really make it do something. So let's get an if touching hitbox, not mouse, hitbox, then broadcast message, you lose. Oh, sorry, not you, you lose. You lose. And then you go to game over and go when green flag clicked, hide. And then get when I receive you lose. Sorry, that when I receive you lose, then get a show. Now come here, and then you get a hide here, show here, and then also let me just bring Y to 0 so I can drag it. And bring the cat away here in the corner, because when you click on the green flag, your mouse will start here, and then the cat will be here. So that's why it's logical. So get this, and here, we will have to just get when I receive you lose, hide, hide, and then when I receive, then when green flag click, then show. And our game is actually done. If you want a bigger screen, that's very simple. First, save to your computer this project. Yeah. Now you will go to a new tab. So open your web browser. www.penguinmod.com. Yeah, and then it will bring you to Penguin Mod. Click on Create. Click on File. Click on Load from your computer. And click on Cat Chasing a Mouse. A cat chasing a mouse. So actually the project that says today. Now it will have your project here. Go to settings and scroll down and click on 16:9:9. So change the 360 with a 560. But now there's some things we need to edit. First thing is background is too small. First thing is background is too small, and second thing is we have to make the game over screen bigger. So just cover everything with the red. Yeah. And now go back to code, and now the screen will be way bigger and now it's gonna be way more fun. So now if I lose, yeah. So that's all we are gonna do in this video. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button to see more awesome videos. Bye.